Reviving with words. The power of pump life back into. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a vibrant phrase that's as lively as it sounds. Pump life back into. This expression is a fantastic example of how English speakers use vivid imagery to convey complex ideas simply and effectively. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the essence of this powerful phrase. Pump life back into is a metaphorical expression that paints a picture of reviving, rejuvenating, or revitalizing something that has become dull, inactive, or lifeless. Just like a heart pump circulates blood to invigorate a body, using this phrase suggests injecting energy, enthusiasm, or resources into something to restore its vitality. It's commonly used in both personal and professional contexts. For example, imagine a once popular park that's been neglected over the years. A community initiative to pump life back into the park might include planting new flowers, repairing old structures, and organizing events to attract visitors again. To fully grasp how to use pump life back into in conversation or writing, let's look at some examples. After the new CEO took over, she managed to pump life back into the struggling company with innovative strategies. The festival was a fantastic way to pump life back into the local arts scene, showcasing talents from all over the region. By introducing interactive exhibits, the museum hopes to pump life back into its galleries and attract a younger audience. These examples highlight how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios, from business revivals to community projects, emphasizing its versatility and effectiveness in conveying the idea of revitalization. The beauty of pump life back into lies in its ability to resonate across different cultures, especially in contexts where revival and rejuvenation are central themes. While its usage is widespread in English, the concept of breathing new life into something is a universal idea, making this phrase particularly powerful and relatable. It's also worth noting that the phrase can be used both literally, such as in medical or ecological recoveries, and figuratively, in cases of economic, cultural, or social revitalization. This duality adds to the richness of the expression, allowing for creative application in various narratives. And that wraps up our exploration of pump life back into. We hope this video has not only enriched your vocabulary but also inspired you to look at the English language with fresh eyes. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories we tell and the vivid images we paint with those words. So, go ahead and pump life back into your conversations and writings with this expressive phrase. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.